So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Power share. So we know that previously when we discussed about Tata Power, we have done the complete technical analysis and clearly I told to focus the 120 rupees level if you want to have any fresh entry. So currently it is in very good accumulation phase, and what would be the next target that we can see in the coming sessions. So all these things we'll try to find out. So today morning itself, after a gap down opening, so many felt that the market would correct, but it has taken a very good support and it has entered the positive region. So all the stocks, especially Adani Group stocks which were in lower circuit, all of them have started shifting towards upper circuit, especially Adani Power, which we have discussed in the morning session. So clearly I told the levels in that particular video itself. So if you have not watched it, do watch it. And if you are new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group so that you will not miss any instant updates. Okay, so if we see the today's overall activity of Tata Power, so you can see roughly 4 crore shares have been traded, and if you see deliverables wise, we can see 77 lakh shares have been taken into deliveries, and percentage is around 19.15%. So this is a very decent percentage. On an average, we see 20 to 25% deliveries in Tata Power. Okay, so roughly if you see the day-to-day wise comparison of deliveries in Tata Power, so you can see, as I told, 2025, that is average basis, but today also we have seen in that particular range itself. So steadily the stock is having some good momentum. So either it is correcting, but it is respecting the levels. So sustaining the levels is important before any big breakout that we expect for the stock in the coming sessions. But this particular momentum signifies that as much as you can accumulate in this particular stock. Okay, so quickly let's go to technical charts and we'll see what are the next possible levels. Okay, so before shifting towards technicals, so we know that the upcoming deals which are going to happen, or projects, whatever we can say, which are present for this particular company. So you can see Tata Motors and Tata Power jointly inaugurate solar carport in Pune. So this is well-known news, so which was released on June 18th. So by this particular solar carport, which will be done by combination of both the Tata Power as well as Tata Motors, will generate almost 86.4 lakh kilowatt of electricity per year, and it is estimated to reduce 7,000 tons of carbon emissions. So when I shared the annual report about Tata Power in our previous videos, so that time also on year basis, like what would be the target for 2025, 2030. So they have given the various targets what they are going to plan. So one of that was related to carbon emissions, and now it has been confirmed that with Tata Motors officially this particular project could be taken ahead. And you can see around 1.6 lakh tons over life cycle, a regulatory filing set. Okay, so these are the things which are already running in Tata Power. So best stock we can say, especially if you're accumulating on regular basis, if you're doing any SIP investment, so this particular company would be much better. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart of Tata Power. So when you see the weekly chart time frame, so after a very good breakout that was seen on weekly chart time frame, we know the previous week it has showed some bearishness. So after the golden crossover which has been generated, so we know market was also little volatile. So obviously the stock, after giving a good breakout, it tries to consolidate for a certain period of time. So same thing is seen in this particular stock as well. So right now, after the very good start for this particular week, clearly you can see from the bottom itself a good buying momentum has been generated. So next the stock will try to approach 125. So after that 130 could be the important levels that we need to watch out. So once it breaks that particular levels, then definitely we can expect 150 in this particular stock. So it is a patience testing company, so you need to hold it very well, and if you're having any doubt that it will fall, that's not the right thing. You need to accumulate at each and every level. So coming to supports, as I told, 120 is a very good support that we need to watch out. So after that we have the 115. So these are the important supports, and you can see the ultimate pivot support is 1112 on weekly chart time frame. So these are going to be the levels where Tata Power would be trading. And coming to money flow index, you can see that is still near 59, which is in the mid-range region. So don't worry about that as well. So in weekly chart, stock is completely looking very good. So once it starts crossing the 125 or 130, so after that it will start approaching 150. So focus the supports as well. So quickly we'll see on daily chart time frame, so that will have some very good confirmation. Okay, so when we see the daily chart time frame, you can say this was the region. Can you see here? That is 119.45. So whenever it was approaching that particular region, so same buying was generated in that particular zone, and again it has started going up. So today also same patience testing was present. So many people who are doing options also, for them also it is a tedious task to understand the psychology, because wherever options will be done, stop losses will be present. So whatever the big players try to do is hit the stop losses of retailers. So that's why you need to be very cautious, and whatever the trade swing you're doing, try to place very low stop losses in order to reduce the risk. Okay, so now if you see the current level of 119.45, as I told, is going to be very important on daily chart. After that 127, if it crosses that, then definitely 130 plus would be seen in the stock. So this is on daily chart time frame. And money flow index on daily chart time frame is around 75. So that is also in a very good region, and we can say very good zone. So once it settles a little bit, then definitely you can also buy near the 119, 120, or even at the current levels also it is very, very attractive. So accumulate as much as you can. So definitely you'll be getting some very good returns in long term. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.